This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Becki Taylor. This darling single level has been freshened up with paint inside and out, all new appliances and new carpets throughout. 3 bedrooms 2 bath, spacious walk-in master closet, ceiling fans, mini blinds on every window of the house. Large laundry room with cabinets and folding counter. New sprinkler system installed. 2-car garage with plenty of space and extra off-street parking as well. Enjoy the mature vegetable gardens almost ready to harvest. Blueberries, raspberries ready to produce again in next year's harvest as well. This home is absolutely move-in ready for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Becki Taylor at 360-734-7500.